Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So guys, in today's video I will be recreating this look. It's a absolute basic makeup look. So like if you guys are doing any video calls and if you want to wear very bare minimum makeup, so this is it for you guys. Like you can definitely go ahead and check this video out. Like you want to do a video call and you don't want to put a lot of makeup but you still want to look presentable, then you guys can definitely check out this video. So guys, if you want to see me create this look, then please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. So we'll start with prepping my skin. So for moisturizer, I'm using this Blue Nectar Ayurvedic cream. Like it's really very amazing. If you want to check it out, then I will add the link for the video, like where I have explained the things about this cream. Like it's truly very amazing. If you want to try it out, then do. So I will moisturize my face. Like before applying any makeup, be it you are an oily skin girl So guys, before starting your makeup, be it your like oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, like just moisturize your face. It's very very important. And being a dry skin girl, like it's very necessary for me to moisturize and apply a lot of moisturizer on my face, because like then my makeup becomes quite flaky and all. So I will add a little bit more. See guys, how it gave me an instant glow. I just love this moisturizer. It's seriously very amazing. I use it before going to bed as well, like after applying my night serum. So yes, so we'll begin by applying primer. Like I don't know why I always forget primer. So I use this Pore Professional Pore Primer. Like it's an amazing primer. Like it completely fills your pore. Like, so I will take a tiny bit and apply it on my areas, like where like I have large pores. It's necessarily around my, and then so like primer is very important guys. It gives a layer between your makeup and skin. Like it gives like a healthy and clean slate for your makeup to stick on. Like it's truly very amazing. Like it totally depends on you, like if you want to prime your whole face or you just want to apply it only on your affected areas. So yeah, I'm done. Guys, I just showered and my hair is a hot mess right now. Please ignore it. Like it seriously needs some oiling and all. I need to take care of my hair. It's like they need it very badly. Tapped on little bit of lip balm because my lips were feeling extremely dry. Like I might be dehydrated. I'm not drinking enough water. So moving on to the foundation part of the video. So for foundation, I'm using this MAC foundation. Like MAC is my absolute favorite. Like I know there are many amazing foundations out there, but like MAC will always be my favorite. So for this I'm using this product. So it's MAC Studio Sculpt SPF 15 foundation tint. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. SPF 15. It's 40 ml and it's extremely nice. So this is quite lightweight and it gives a skin like finish to you, and you will not feel cakey after applying it. It's medium to full coverage. So I will start dabbing it on my face. I hope you guys can see. For this, it's not It's not that full coverage. And I seriously love this foundation because being a dry skin person, like, your foundation can make it or break it. Oh, guys, if I'm not doing it right or not doing it your way, please don't come for me. Like, even I'm a beginner, like I'm not a professional makeup artist or something, so just please bear with me, and I'm open to feedback, but don't, you know, come and bash me with all your comments. So tools to blend your foundation. So the key for the best makeup, flawless skin, flawless base is blending. Like, keep on blending till you feel like it's perfect. So I will not apply foundation under my eyes, because like under my eyes I will be applying I will be applying concealer, and I don't want to look cakey, because like I don't want too many layers of makeup on my skin. Like, for underneath my eye I will just keep it concealer. So under my eye it will be just concealer. So for concealer I will be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I don't know why I hold the products upside down. So this is this, guys. Oh, this is an amazing concealer. I don't know for how long I have been using this brand. I just absolutely love it. So my shade is, I know where is, it's pure beige. So yeah, this is my shade. Oh, I will conceal my eyes, like area under my eyes with it. Am I too close to your screen? Sorry. Apply the concealer where you feel you have dark spots. Like for me it's under my eyes, like around my nose and around my mouth area. So yeah, I will blend it. It's an amazing concealer, guys, like truly an amazing concealer. See how it beautifully blends. I don't have to work that hard for this one, like wow. Guys, this is my first makeup video. Let me know, like, what do you think so far? Am I doing a good job? And if I'm making any mistakes, please let me know where I'm going wrong and what I'm doing wrong, what I need to improve, because as I said, I'm also a beginner and I'm open to learning. So for this look I will keep it very basic, so I will not bake and do anything like properly like that. I will just set my face using this loose powder. This is from Faces Canada. So it's also an absolutely amazing loose powder, and my shade is Sand Beige 03. So it's like a loose powder, and it comes with a cushion kind of thing, like what do you call it, I don't know, seriously. So like for using this, just like it's inside it's like this. Like I have used a lot, like unknowingly I reach out to this product. I don't know why, like it's truly very amazing. So yes, like it has little bit of product on the cushion, so I will just start up dapping my skin or dapping my face with this puffy. Guys, setting face is really very important, because like that your face will start feeling like very cakey and it's very important to conceal it under your eyes. Like I don't use an extra brush for this one. Just apply it on your face, just lightly dab and push the product in. Okay. So guys, this is a very basic look. I'm not doing anything extra for this one. So guys, for this look I will not be contouring or I will not be bronzing it. I will just keep it bare minimum, and I will apply a little blush, because like we can do it with a little blush. So it's a Color Bar blush, and the shade is Tint of Pink. It's a very light shade, like, but it's very pigmented, so you have to be, you know, careful with it. So it comes with a puffy again, and there is product in this, and like see how much I have used it. I have used the crap out of this one. I absolutely love this blush. So I will just do it light with a light hand. So you just have to make sure that you are not lifting your foundation up. Can you guys see a hint of pink? Like, oh, till now. Can you guys see a hint of pink? Like, see. So guys, this is it. I will not be doing anything more for my face, so I will move on to my eyes. And for my eyes as well, I will not apply any eyeshadow or anything. I will just leave it like that. It's a very basic and simple look that you can wear like when you are doing a video call as well. Like you want to look a bit presentable, and you don't want to like you don't want to be on the screen all the time. So yeah, that's that. So we'll go with my eyeliner. Sorry, I didn't showed you the product name. It's again a Color Bar. I absolutely love Color Bar. They have amazing products. So this is the Color Bar eyeliner. Like it's truly very amazing, and it's this. I like these kind of eyeliner, guys. It's like gives a smooth flow. So let's begin. I always like to start with my outer corner, and then will start with my other outer corner, and I leave it in the middle. So what I do, I will start from here, and then I will start from here, and I will like meet the two ends in the middle. I'm done with my eyeliner. So we'll apply kajal now. Again, sorry, I forgot to show you the product. So it's a Maybelline Kajal Colossal Black, because I like my kajal to be extremely black and it gives my eye a defined look. Apply it. I don't like to take my kajal to the total end of my eye. Like, I kind of leave it in the middle, so it gives my eye a more open look. Like, guys, seriously, I have some serious dark circles. Like, I applied very little product, but still. Oh, I forgot my mascara. Where is it? I don't know why I do it. I always forget to apply mascara. I don't know. Like, I am applying makeup. I have done everything. Like, I don't like to wear falsies. Like, I don't like it at all. Yeah, if I'm doing a dramatic look, but otherwise I like to keep it very minimal. So like every time I'm stepping out of my house and I think like I forgot to apply mascara, so like for mascara I will be using this Maybelline. And again, you guys know it's a wonderful product. I don't think so I have to explain anything about this. So we'll start applying mascara. So guys, I will share a tip with you. So when you are applying mascara, just when you are doing the right corner, then you do like this, like move your mascara to the right, and then in the middle do like this, and when you are in the left part, then like this. So I don't know why I do that. See? See how beautifully it lifts up my eyelash. So yeah, left, this part you do like this, in the middle you do like this, and this part you do like this. So like you are flapping it, opening it like a fan. So it gives a beautiful lift for this bare minimum. Give a bold look to my lips. So for my lips, I'm using this Canada Faces brand again. So this is lipstick. Like, what is the shade? Mulberry Magic 17. I'm sorry guys if I'm not pronouncing anything right. Just don't like spare me, please. So I will start with this lipstick, and again I will not do like nothing much. So I will apply the lipstick. Oh, how I love this shade. Doesn't it look amazing? Like, see, I absolutely love this color. I don't like, I have so many lipsticks in this color, and then again I go out to shop something, or if I'm looking online, then again I end up buying this kind of color. So yes guys, this is my final look. How do you like it? So for my lips, I wanted to add something little bit more to it. So I will like add this. This is this lip shade. It's like, where is the shade written? I don't know. It's M05 by UNE Natural Beauty. So we'll apply a little bit on my lips. So yeah guys, please let me know what do you think about this look. Do you like it? Do you want me to do more makeup videos, like a tutorial kind of video? Like, I know even I'm learning, and like I would love to learn with you guys. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, then do check out my profile. My handler is tanvi.agarwal.562. I post lots of pictures there and I'm very active. I post lot of stories and I am very active and I reply to all the DMs. I try to reply to all the DMs. So yes, just take out some time and check out my Instagram profile, and if you like it, just follow me there. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, comment and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, then you guys will get a notification. Okay guys, do let me know what do you think about this look. I will be waiting for your comments and DMs on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.